Now I am giving you the example of the boundary conditions. The boundary conditions are the conditions on the solution at more than one point. You see, we have the condition, these are two conditions, y0 equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1. So this question is, or this problem is the boundary value problem. Now you see the differential equation d2y over dx square minus 3 dy by dx plus 2y equal to 0. We have to solve this equation by using the boundary condition y0 equal to 0 and y1 is equal to 1, where y equal to c1ex, c2e3x be the solution. This is the given solution of this equation. Now we apply these boundary conditions. How we apply these boundary conditions on this solution? So you see, y0 equal to 0 means x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. This is value of x and this is value of y. So we put here in place of y0 in place of x also 0. So you see that y equal to c1x plus c2e3x be the solution. y0 equal to 0. So we put in place of y equal to 0 in place of x equal to 0. So this become 0 equal to c1e0 and c2e3 into 0. This become e0 equal to 1, this becomes c1, and this e0 again 1, and this becomes c2. So 0 equal to c1 plus c2. We name this as equation 1, and this is the equation number 2. We apply the second condition, y1 equal to 1. Also we put here, in place of y we put 1, in place of x we also put 1. So this become 1 equal to c1e1 plus c2e3 into 1, and this become 1 equal to c1e plus c2e cube. We solve these two equations, c2 and c3, and we find the value of c1 and c2. Now how we solve these equations? Now you see that this equation number 2, we multiply e by equation number 2 and subtract this from 3. We multiply here e into 0 becomes 0, c1 into e, this is c1 into e, and c2 into e. Now we write this equation, we wrote this equation, and subtracting, we change the sign of this become negative, and this positive become negative. So you see 0 minus 1 is minus 1, and these two values will be cancelled. This is positive and this is negative value, they will be cancelled, and this become c2e minus c2e cube. So this become minus 1 equal to c2e minus c2e cube. We take common c2 from this, and value of c2 become minus 1 over e minus e cube. So this equation, this is the value of c2, minus 1 over e minus e cube. Put this value in equation number 2. We have 0 equal to c1 minus 1 by e minus e cube. So we take this term to the left side, value of c1 is 1 over e minus e cube. So we have find this is value of c2 and this is value of c1. So we put this value of c1, c2 in equation 1, that is the solution of the equation. We have y equal to ex over e minus e cube minus e3x over e minus e cube. So we take this term common, this is equal to 1 over e minus e cube into ex minus e3x. So this is the required solution, y equal to 1 over e minus e cube into ex minus e3x. This is the required solution. Now we start the exercise. How we find the solution of the given equation? We start the exercise. Question 1. Form the differential equation of which the given function is a solution. This is the given function. We have to find the solution of this equation. So we see there is only one constant, that is c. We differentiate this equation once, only differentiate this with respect to x by using the product theorem. The value of derivative of this term is 3x square into e minus 3 same plus this term is same x cube plus c, and derivative of this is minus 3 into e to the minus 3x. So dy by dx equal to 3x square e minus 3x minus 3 into x cube plus c e minus 3x. So this is the value of y, because we know y equal to x cube plus c e minus 3x. In this place we put y. This becomes dy by dx 3x square e minus 3x minus 3 into y. This is the value of y. So you see the value of c is eliminated. So this is the solution of this equation. Dy by dx plus 3y equal to 3x square e minus 3x with the required solution. Now we solve the question number 2. Find the equation, differential equation of the function ax plus log y equal to y plus b. This function has two constants. This is constant, a is the constant and b is also the constant. So we differentiate this equation 2 times to find the solution of this equation. As many constant in the equation, so many times we differentiate the given equation. To first, this is the first equation. We differentiate this equation with respect to x. So derivative of this term is a, you see, and derivative of log y is equal to 1 by y dy by dx, and derivative of y is dy by dx, and derivative of b is constant. So we have this again 1 by y dy by dx equal to dy by dx. So again we differentiate this term with respect to x by using the product theorem. 1 by y is same, derivative of dy by dx is d2y by dx square, and this term is same, and derivative of 1 by y is minus 1 by y square, and derivative of dy by dx is d2y over dx square. We multiply the equation by y square both sides. This equation becomes y d2y by dx square minus x dy by dx square equal to y square dy over dx square. After simplification, this becomes y square minus y d2y by dx square plus dy by dx square equal to 0 is the required differential equation. Now question 3, form the differential equation of the given function. This is a function y equal to ax e ax plus b log x plus c plus d. These are the 4 arbitrary constants a, b, c and d. We differentiate this equation 4 times because this is a, b and c, d. So these are 4 constants. We differentiate this equation 4 times. Now we take the first derivative of this function. Y equal to derivative of y dy by dx, derivative of aex is aex, derivative of log x equal to 1 over x, and c and d are constant, so their derivative is 0. Again differentiate this term with respect to x, d2y over dx square, derivative of aex is again aex, and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. This is equation number 3. This is 1, 2 and 3. Again differentiate this term with respect to x. This becomes dqy over dx cube. Derivative of this is aex, and derivative of this term is 2b 1 over x cube. Again differentiate this term with respect to x. This is equation 4, d4y by dx over aex, and derivative of this term is minus 3 over x4. So multiply this 2 by minus 3, this becomes minus 6. This is b 1 over x4. So these are the 4 equations, first, second, third and 4. Now we eliminate the constant a, b from these equations to get the required solution. Subtracting 2 from 3, we have d4y over dx4 minus d2y by dx square equal to minus 6b 1 by x4 plus b 1 by x square, and taking b common from this step, this become b, and taking LCM, x4 is LCM, this is x4 x square minus 6. This is equation number 6. Now subtracting equation 3 from 4, we have dqy by dx cube minus d2y by dx square 2b 1 by x cube b into 1 by x square. Now we take b common from this step, this become dqy over dx cube. This is equal to b into 2 plus x over x cube. Now dividing equation 6 by 7. One term is missing, that is here we write minus d square y over dx square. This is missing term. Now we're dividing 6 by 7, we have the z. b into x square minus 6 over x4, this term, divided by this term. b into 2 plus x over x cube. The b will cancel and we have this x4 will simplification. This become x square minus 6 over x into 2 plus x. Now by cross multiplication, we have x into 2 plus x d for y by dx 4 minus d square y by dx square equal to x square minus 6 into d y over dx cube. Again we simplify this term and we get x plus x into 2 plus x d for y by dx 4 minus x square minus 6 d y by dx cube minus x 2 plus x d square y by dx equal to 0. This is required solution of the given differential equation. This term contains no any constant, arbitrary constant. We had 4 arbitrary constants. They are eliminated from this equation. So this is the required solution of the given equation. Now question 4. Form the differential equation of the function x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This equation has 3 arbitrary constants, g, f and c. We differentiate this equation 3 times. We differentiate this equation 3 times. We take the first derivative, and this first derivative is x square, derivative of x square is 2x, and derivative of y square is 2y divided by dx, and derivative of 2gx is 2g, and 2f divided by dx, and c is 0, constant. This is a constant term, this derivative is 0. Now we again differentiate this term with respect to x. Derivative of this is 2, and differentiate this term by using the product theorem. Y into d2y by dx square and dy by dx, and derivative of this is 2 d2y by dx equal to 0. This is equation number 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Now again differentiate this term with respect to x. Derivative of this is 0, and again we use the product term here. 2 into dy by dx and d2y by square same, and this term same, and derivative of this is dy by dx. 2y is same, and derivative of this is dqy by dx cube, and differentiate this term with respect to x, and this become 4 into dy by dx d2y by dx square plus derivative of this is 2 f dqy by dx square. When we multiply this term, these two terms, this will become dy by dx whole square, and taking 2 here, add derivative of 2 and 2 become 4. Derivative of dy by dx is again d2y over dx square, and this is equation number 4. Now after simplification, the last step, this becomes 6 dy by dx d square y by dx square plus 2 y plus f dqy by dx cube equal to 0. Now from equation number 3, we have 2 y plus f d square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx whole square plus 2 equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 2. Divide this equation by 2. This become y plus f d2y over dx square plus dy by dx square and derivative of, and this become 1 because we divide this equation by 2. So this become 1. Now take this term to the right side. This is minus into 1 plus dy by d square, and divide this term divided by this term. We have the value of y plus f equal to minus into 1 plus dy by dx square over d2y by dx square. Put this value of y plus f in equation number 4. In this place, we put this value of y plus f. So this becomes 6 dy by dx d2y by dx square, and this is minus 2 1 plus dy by dx square over d2y by dx square, and this is dqy by dx cube equal to 0. Now you see this becomes 6 dy by dx d2y by dx square minus 2 d2y by dx square dqy by dx square. We multiply this term by this d2y by dx square. So here d2y by dx square into d2y by dx square, this will become d2y by dx square whole square, and minus 2 1 plus dy by dx square dqy by dx will be equal to 0. So all the constants are eliminated. So this is the required differential equation.